In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stage routing in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Stage routing helps you spot deals that have stalled, so nothing gets forgotten or buried in your pipeline. We'll turn it on and set clear thresholds, all inside your existing pipeline. You just need access to your deals board and permission to edit pipelines. I'll walk you through it. Start in Pipedrive's left-hand sidebar by opening Deals. At the top right of your board, look for the small pencil icon. That's the Edit Pipeline control. Give it a click to open the editor for the pipeline you're viewing. If you manage more than one pipeline, make sure the correct one is selected before you edit. The editor shows your stages in order, exactly as they appear on your board, which makes it easy to adjust them without leaving the page. Next, you'll enable routing for the stages you want to monitor and choose a time limit for each one. For every stage where stalling is a risk, flip the routing switch to on. A field will appear for routing in days. Type the number of days a deal can sit in that stage before it's considered stale. Think of these values as service level expectations. Early prospecting stages might get a shorter window, while negotiation or legal review could reasonably allow more time. Keep it realistic but firm, so the alert actually drives action. Once set, Pipedrive will visually flag deals that exceed your threshold in that stage, helping your team prioritize follow-ups. Remember, you don't have to enable routing everywhere, only where timing truly matters, and you can adjust these numbers later as your sales cycle evolves. When your switches and day values look right, save your changes. Saving applies the new routing rules to the pipeline immediately, so you can head back to your deals board and see indicators appear as applicable. From here on, those visual cues make it obvious which deals need attention first, without running reports or digging through notes. If you ever want to fine-tune the thresholds, just return to the Edit Pipeline view with the same pencil icon, tweak the days, and save again. That's it. Stage routing set up quickly and cleanly. By editing your pipeline, enabling routing on the stages that matter, setting clear day limits, and saving, you've built an early warning system right into your workflow. Use it regularly to keep momentum high and keep deals moving.